Hey, what's up guys? This is Pialdas. You are watching Watch and Enjoy my channel. So guys, today I want to show you how to replacement your UPS battery. If you wanna repair UPS battery, let's see my previous video on I button. Click and see how to repair UPS battery. So today I want to show you how to replacement UPS battery. So let's start it. This is my UPS. Let me scoot open. If you want to buy UPS battery, check description and get buy link. If you want to purchase a battery from market, local market, from 800 to 850 rupees. So guys, this is my UPS battery. This is my battery. Open the terminal and check it how much volt is rating, how much volt is showing on multimeter. Set up multimeter 20 volt. Then red terminal is red, black is black. Then you are show in my multimeter 2.13 volt is showing, but this battery volt is 12 volt. That means this battery is dry. Let's how to replace the battery. This is Excite battery, new battery, and let's try to install. And plugged on red terminal to red, black terminal to black. Okay, this is finally joined, and now set up then you finally I set up this battery. Let's see, this battery is working. So guys, if you like this video, get me a thumbs up, and if you are want to this type of video, subscribe my channel, and battery buy links description, check it out. Battery buy link is here. Goodbye.